I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. This is a legacy Lotus 123 spreadsheet. We can open it in its native software or import it into Excel. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest WKS files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. A WKS file is a spreadsheet file format originally associated with Lotus 123, an early and popular spreadsheet program. It stores data in rows and columns, allowing for calculations, charts, and data analysis. While largely superseded by newer formats like .xls and .xlsx, WKS files may still be encountered in legacy systems or archives. The WKS format is a binary file format that stores spreadsheet data, formulas, and formatting information. It has limitations compared to modern spreadsheet formats, such as a smaller number of rows and columns. It is typically opened and edited using older versions of Lotus 123 or compatible spreadsheet software. Typically, WKS files can be opened with Microsoft Works created by Microsoft. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows gives basic visual access, while computation and design control rely on spreadsheet editors. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your WKS file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Works if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the WKS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since this WKS format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, use Lotus 123. Open the file in the Lotus 123 software to view the legacy spreadsheet data and original formulas. Next, import into Microsoft Excel. If you don't have Lotus 123, open Excel and use the Open command, selecting all files to import the legacy WKS data. Finally, convert to XLSX. Once opened in a modern application, save the file as a XLSX document to ensure future compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.